Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with 1099 NEC filing tools from Tipalti. Complete guide. To register with the 1099 NEC filing tools from Tipalti, look for the registration option on the homepage. Click on the sign up button to begin the process. Enter your email address in the provided field. Create a strong password that meets the specified requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. Complete any additional information requested, such as your name and company details. Review and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. After submitting your information, check your email for a confirmation link. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Tipalti website and log in using your credentials. Navigate to the 1099 NEC filing section within your dashboard. Follow the prompts to provide necessary information about your payees. Input details such as the payee's name, address, and tax identification number. Review the information for accuracy before proceeding. Once confirmed, select the filing options that suit your needs. Submit your filing request through the platform. Make sure to complete any necessary payment for the filing services. Monitor the status of your filing through the Tipalti dashboard. If you encounter any issues, utilize Tipalti's support resources for assistance. Your 1099 NEC forms will be prepared and filed accordingly. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your filing status. Congratulations, you have successfully registered and filed using Tipalti's 1099 NEC tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.